Hello friends, 𝗓𝗏 out here in front of the wind. And here's what's happening this week in gambling. Well, here we go again. Another big sporting event is headed for Las Vegas, and with it, the threat of another strike, this time for the Super Bowl. And that is this week's big story. Back in November, 35,000 Las Vegas workers threatened to walk off their jobs just days before the Las Vegas Grand Prix if their demands were not met. That tactic worked so well that now an additional 8,000 employees are threatening to do the exact same thing before the Super Bowl. Is anyone surprised? February 2nd is the day that workers at these 20 Las Vegas resorts say they will go on strike. That's just 9 days before the big game on February 11th. And if they do walk out, guests at these resorts may have a hard time finding a waitress, a bartender, or a cook. And there may not be anyone to wash your dirty sheets and towels, no one to clean your toilet, and no one to help you with your bags. The secretary and treasurer of the union stated that he believes there will be a strike this time and that it will affect more of the city than just those resorts. And while this certainly will not stop the Super Bowl from being played, it could make the experience a lot less fun for those who attend. Now, hey, let's just be honest for a moment, because even if there is a strike, the Super Bowl will still be played and televised, and people with tickets to the game are still going to travel to Las Vegas to watch it. Besides that, just like back in November, this strike will probably be averted with some last-minute deal. However, we will keep an eye on it and keep you updated. But if you want to know what's going on in the world of gambling on a daily basis, then you have to visit our friends at Casino City. They have you covered with gambling news from Las Vegas to Delaware to Vermont and all across America. Simply visit online.casinocity.com for all of these headlines and so much more. Hello friends, 𝗓𝗏 here on the floor of the Global Gaming Expo. Behind me is the Light and Wonder booth. I just finished filming with them, and I thought you guys might want a preview of some of the amazing new games they're going to be releasing here at the end of 2023 and into the first part of 2024. Light and Wonder had some amazing new products on display at this year's Global Gaming Expo, and players will begin seeing these games in 2024. First, it's an update to a player favorite with the Ultimate Firelink Double Explosion. Delivered on the Horizon Jumbo cabinet, this game comes with a dual wheel array, twice the monkeys, and the double explosion big win. Plus, an amazing LED light display behind the game, which is integrated into play. Next, it's Dragon Train, an all-new slot with 4 different base games, a hold and spin feature, cash clusters, and innovative sticky reels. It has Asian-inspired graphics and features progressive jackpots, but this game is all about catching that Dragon Train. Lastly, it's another update to a popular game. This time, it's Huff and Even More Puff. Packaged on the Cosmic Cabinet, this game is bigger and bolder with 4K resolution, more denominations, and a double wheel array. Be looking for these games on a casino floor near you sometime this year.
Don't stop believing.